No, like move the stick. Yeah, no.
This?
Yeah.
How? Like this?
Yeah. Oh, I'll fix it in a second.
But you did it.
What?
Where did I put it?
No. Ow, my water's hot.
Whose fault is that?
Ow.
What is this?
What you so what? Oh, you should put knives in this thing. Oh, you sorry, idiots! Do you want to explain what we're doing? We're making coffee jelly. It just says pour and then put it in the fridge for 6 hours. And we'll let it cool.
If this doesn't jelly up, I'm gonna be so sad. I'm sure it will. Okay, we'll see this in a couple hours.
1 half unflavored gelatin. But then it says 0.25 ounces.
So what does that mean?
So when you Google 0.25 ounces, that's only 2 tablespoons. Where's my pen? Well, 1 pack of this is 1,700 mil. 1,700 mil. 170 mil. So that's a lot.
Yes. Comment down below if you know how to use pectin. Do you want to explain what happened with the first batch?
I don't know what happened to the first batch. It did not jelly. It did not go jelly. Even your Venus is not.
In all my videos, you're always like, I bet they can't see this. Or I bet they can't hear this. But you guys can clearly see and hear everything. Let me explain for the kids at home. I have to get low because our tripod is upstairs. But the first one didn't jellify. So we had to make another batch. And the pan looks really burnt, but that's all I can say. We're gonna make ice cream out of the first batch and then try again with the second batch to make actual coffee jelly. Are you pouring it now?
Yeah. About the same?
I think it's about the
If
same.
this isn't jelly, I'm gonna cry because we followed the recipe exactly. And if it doesn't jelly, then all recipes is a fraud. It's a scam.
You want to just put it in this fridge here?
Oh, sure. There goes bees.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Jennifer!
What a thirsty.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
For what? Oh, the results?
Yes! Oh, it didn't work. See, it looks like it's set.
Oh, no.
Our second attempt at making the jelly did not work.
I don't understand.
So I don't know what recipe Jen got.
That's not nice.
So now we're gonna make ice cream out of the second batch as well. This one was the first batch and it looks like this. So we're gonna let this one thaw out so we can try it. But now, what are you doing?
Making heavy cream.
Because she's trying to make a different type of ice cream, and this time she's gonna make the heavy cream first and then add the coffee in. Ooh.
Tastes like a cappuccino.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god, we should blend it with ice.
Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna try. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's not even really. Am I eating that? Jennifer! Do you like it?
It tastes like that coffee thing we used to buy. Remember at Brandon's house, the coffee syrup?
Yeah.
Try it.
Okay.
Doesn't it taste like that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love that this was supposed to be coffee jelly and then it turned into an ice cream.
But
and
we don't know how to make ice cream, so it's
just like liquid. No, Jennifer.
no one else is gonna have it.
True. What could you even do with this?
Make it in the milkshakes you always make. Or just drink it like that. That's just coffee.
That is true. Okay, so this is attempt number 2. It's a different color because of the butter and the whipped cream.
It's not whipped cream.
What is it?
Half and half and whipped butter.
Okay, half and
I don't
half.
know if that made it into cream.
I don't know either.
I mean whipped cream or heavy cream.
That's really pretty though. Once it melts, we'll try it.
Oh no.
What? Does it just taste like butter?
That doesn't taste right. Keep finding the word out.
Kids, don't try this at home. At the end of the day, coffee jelly is not a thing.
Yeah, basically.
If anyone knows how to do it, please let me know.